Ever wondered what your auto insurance policy actually covers? Understanding the ins and outs of the policy can seem like deciphering a foreign language. But worry not. Today we're going to break down the different components of auto insurance policies in a clear, step-by-step manner. First, let's talk about liability coverage, which has two main components. Bodily injury liability pays for medical expenses and legal fees if you cause an injury in an accident. Then there's property damage liability, which covers the cost of repairing or replacing the other party's property if you damage it in an accident. Next up is personal injury protection, often referred to as PIP. This covers medical expenses, lost wages, and sometimes even funeral expenses for you and your passengers, regardless of who is at fault in the accident. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage is another key component. This coverage protects you if you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have adequate insurance, or if you're the victim of a hit and run. Collision coverage is pretty straightforward. It pays for repairs to your own vehicle after an accident, no matter who is at fault. Comprehensive coverage goes beyond collisions, covering damage to your vehicle from non-collision events like theft, vandalism, natural disasters, or falling objects. Then there are deductibles. This is the amount you'll pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. You can choose your deductible amount for collision and comprehensive coverage. There are also optional coverages you can add, such as roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, or gap insurance. Don't forget about discounts. Insurance companies often offer discounts for safe driving, bundling policies, having anti-theft devices, or completing defensive driving courses. Telematics and usage-based insurance are newer options. These policies use devices or apps to track your driving behavior, rewarding safe driving habits with lower premiums. It's important to note that each state sets its own minimum auto insurance requirements. So be sure to understand the mandatory coverages and minimum limits in your state. Your insurance premiums can vary based on factors like your age, driving history, vehicle type, and location. In the event of an accident, you'll need to file a claim with your insurance company. They'll assess the damage and cover eligible costs as per your policy terms. Auto insurance policies typically renew annually, and you can make changes to your coverage at that time or as needed. Remember, it's always a good idea to compare quotes from multiple insurance providers to find the best coverage and rates. Maintain a clean driving record and practice safe driving habits to qualify for lower premiums. And of course, always review your policy carefully to understand its terms. So there you have it, the world of auto insurance decoded. Here's to making informed decisions and staying protected on the road.